Is a cement slurry good for concrete raising?
Using a concrete or cement slurry as a mudjacking material is an old dying technology. Although cheap and easy to do, it's very limited in its ability to provide a good-looking yet long-lasting repair. You see, concrete is the original problem. Simply adding more to it is not the solution. This would be similar to having a flooded basement and someone suggesting add more water to it. It just doesn't make any sense. Concrete wouldn't sink so much if it wasn't so heavy. Adding more cement or concrete compounds the problem by aggravating an already compromised area. This is one of the many great benefits of our SmartLift system. Our polyurethane does not add significant weight to the area. But don't take our word for it. Even our local DOT requires the use of polyurethane for the repair of our local highways and tollways.